Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mahesh Sopari here and I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, chances are you're curious about a little gaming app called Just Play. You might be wondering, is it legit? Can you really make money from it? Should you download it? And can you actually earn a significant amount of money from this app? Well, stick around because we are going to dive into all of that. And guys, if at any point you want to learn my favorite strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from comfort of your home by making use of your computer and internet connection, 100% legit, then click the first link in the description, get registered and watch my free masterclass. Now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some are great, some are not so much, and others are complete waste of time. But today we are focusing on Just Play to see if you can really make money by playing games. Is it worth your time or are there any better alternatives out there? You know, Just Play is essentially a game developer that creates games where you can earn money by watching advertisements. It's pretty straightforward, right? You can find it on Google Play Store with over 10 million downloads, making it quite popular. You know, they offer a variety of games, and what's great is that they keep updating their application, which is refreshing compared to other similar apps that tend to stagnate. With titles like Treasure Master, Solitaire, Classic, Sugar Rush, and Spiral Drop, there's plenty to choose from. When you play, you'll encounter advertisements, and the more you watch, the more you earn. Got it? It's a simple concept, but effective. Now, the goal for apps like this is to show you as many ads as possible to generate revenue. Now, here is the deal, you know, if you're not a fan of watching ads, this might not be for you. But if you're okay with it, you can potentially earn around $1 per hour of gameplay, depending on the game and how quickly you progress through levels. While $1 per hour might not sound like much, in the realm of gaming apps, you know, it's actually considered decent. But if you're serious about making significant money online, there are better options out there. Just Play allows you to donate your earnings to charity, which is a nice touch if you're into that. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal every 3 hours of gameplay, and the minimum cash out is just $2, which is convenient. They also offer other options like Walmart and Amazon gift cards. Overall, Just Play is a solid gaming app, especially if you're looking for some casual fun and don't mind earning a little extra cash on the side. However, if you're here with the intention of making serious money online, playing games might not be the most efficient way to do it. While Just Play is legit and pays out, the earnings potential is relatively low compared to other opportunities. But hey, if you're really interested in checking it out, you can find it on Google Play Store. And guys, if you're watching this video because you are serious about making money online, right? So I've got something for you. After researching countless strategies, I found a method that can take you from $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 a month and even more, depending on your dedication. So if you want to access that strategy, click the link below for a free masterclass. Alright guys, just imagine guys, if an ordinary Indian person like me with English as my third language can make money in dollars just by creating these automated systems, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? Visit the first link, get registered and watch my free masterclass to acquire this strategy. And I hope this review of gameplay was helpful. Remember, there are many ways to make money online and it's essential to find what works best for you. And you know, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. So if you're watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notifications from my end. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video review. Take care. Bye-bye.